Hi, my name's Dave Thompson, and this is a sneak preview of some new technology that's coming down the line with FX360. So previously with floor plans to polyliner floor plans, this has always been a job that's required a copy of AutoCAD or similar CAD system to actually polyline a location. We're now looking for a purely web interface, and we have an existing floor plan. This floor plan incidentally is actually a scanned image as opposed to an AutoCAD drawing, but more on that later. But what we're going to do is we're going to select a location. We have a new outline button, and this allows us to go through a process of effectively polylining or outlining a space. So we get a preview of our image. I'm just going to zoom out here. Notice it's all on a step-by-step basis. I'm okay with that view. So I now can do a boundary. So I have a couple of options here. I can choose to do a boundary. I'm going to turn the automatic snapping off, and I'm going to deliberately do a fairly rough boundary line around here. In fact, you notice down here I'm just going to completely miss all these columns. I'm going to come up to here. I need to pay attention to where I'm going across doorways and gaps, so I need to get the line at the correct position there. Click on the end, and that's our polyline very quickly defined. So now I could actually use this boundary, but obviously it's not going to be very accurate down here. What I can do instead is if I actually just hit the auto fill and wait just a moment while it calculates the boundary, and it's now highlighted all of the area that it's going to treat as being the location, this room, in red. And now notice it's gone around the columns down here, which is what we want to do. It's also picked up on the door swing. All I have to do is click in that area, wait another few seconds, and it's actually then just automatically filled in that area as well. And I can now save the boundary, do some more calculations, and it's calculated the square footage of that room. The grey area is now the location that's actually going to be defined as the boundary for that room. We can exit out here, come out of here, and if we then go to our standard FX space layers, turn on space type, we can see that that's boundary has been defined. So no AutoCAD involved there at all, purely a web interface, no particular training, very easy to use, and that's some new functionality that's coming down the line in FX360 soon. Thanks so much.